Good afternoon, Tolu. Thank you for having me.
Yes, take us through what you make of the performance today.
Well, the market is still riding high, just like what you've just seen there. We are seeing a lot of positivity in the oil and gas sector, still maintaining that momentum. We are seeing the banking sector, the giant in the banking sector, also still doing very well. So we are seeing the market not being red like what is obtained globally. If you look at the global index thus far, but in terms of Nigerian market, we have seen a lot of stability in the market. So it's still a very good market. I mean, especially if you're an investor that have invested a long while ago. But if you are new investors and you are beginning to think, am I buying too high or am I even entering at the right time? But for now, I think the market has the fundamental, the economy has the fundamentals to be able to withstand the kind of growth we are seeing in the market. These days, we begin to see policy drive market growth. A policy comes and then the market responds. It didn't used to be so before now. So what I would say is that the market has been fine from the beginning of the year. But what we are seeing this now is that investors are pricing into the future of some equity, not necessarily what they think they will do in the short term, but they are looking at what they will do in the long term, especially when you look at the oil and gas sector. And you see that investors are pricing into that sector for the future, not really what the price it is today.
Okay, in 1 minute, are you worried about the strikes? We hear what's been going on, the Middle East. I'm concerned because all of this, you already see at the pumps, we are feeling the heat already. I don't know how you think that might affect portfolio investors at this time.
Tolu, I'm worried about the market. I mean, I'm worried about the issue in the Middle East, but I'm not worried about the market. I'm worried about Nigerian consumers. Again, I'm worried about the ordinary Nigeria.
Yeah.
I'm not worried about the government because it means that the government is going to make more money.
More money.
And also, ordinary Nigerians are going to feel the brunt in terms of high price of petroleum products. I think that is basically what I think is happening now. Yes, we discuss for worry, but I think that worry is a positive worry. And if government is able to make more money, I think maybe government will be thinking of how they can also be able to do things that will alleviate the suffering of ordinary Nigeria. But for the market itself, I'm not worried about the market, whether foreign investors will come or not. We have seen that Nigerian domestic investors have owned this market and they continue to own this market, and they are here for the long time. The unboggling of that 2-point-something trillion pension fund also into the market is helping the market create stability. So for me, definitely, I'm not worried. But again, there's a lot of value, especially if you're investing in the oil and gas sector, especially the real sector, like the real oil and gas, like the O&O, you're investing in O&O, you're investing in Seplat, and you're investing in Arade. You're in for a good time as long as the war continues. But you and I don't want the war to continue because, again, ordinary Nigerians are being affected.
Thank you so much, Mr. Mukhtar Mohammed. Interesting charts as always. Do enjoy the rest of your day.
Thank you.
All right, then. Well, that's our package today. Thank you so very much for being a part of it.